With avocado, it slaps different. Slaps different. This is what they call brunch in Bougieville. This is what they
Missing someone.
Good morning, my neighbors. We love you. I love you too. Good morning, my loves. How you doing? What's popping? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashingiro Kenya, aka Mtutua, Homa Bay County. So it's Saturday, and you know what we're going to do today? It's self-pamper, self-care day. According to me, at least. So I'm going to undo my hair. My hair looks really bad. And then I'm going to scrub my face and my entire body. That is my self-care day. Okay, but first we're going to have a breakfast. I'm having a banana and avocado. This avocado is going to go bad if I didn't have it, so I'm having it with the bananas as a fruit salad. Is it even fruit salad? And it's even 11. It's 11:49, so it's not even breakfast. This is what they call brunch in Bougieville. This is what they call brunch. So we're having brunch. We're having fruits. And then we're going to undo my hair, scrub our face and body. I'm just going to show you my scrub. It's a special scrub, and it does magic and wonders for me. Yes, I'm just going to do that in a minute, but first let's have this breakfast and undo my hair. Oh, but then I forgot to tell you, I've discovered a new song. I don't know why I didn't know this song, but yesterday I was playing music, and then YouTube recommended CK featuring Joe Boy and Kwame Eugenia, and it's called Love Wantete. Yeah, I hope that is how it's pronounced. Love Wantete. That song is nice. The song is nice. I'm just going to play it. Woo. Okay. Shake, 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 shake the devil out, oh, in the name of Jesus, shake the devil out, oh, shake, 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 shake the devil out, oh, in the name of Jesus, shake the devil out. Shake, 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 oh, shake the devil up, oh, in the name of Jesus, shake the devil up, oh, shake, 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 shake the devil up, oh, in the name of Jesus, shake the devil out. Now. My hair has grown, yeah? Every time I come here, I'm always telling you that my hair has grown, but it has grown. But too bad today there's no rice water for me to rinse my hair with. Too bad. But anyway, we move, huh? So I'm going to do the rest of this, the back of my head, wash it, and then I'll come back to show you my special scrub. Okay? Sawa sawa? Okay, sawa sawa. Yes, I'm done with the hair. I'm going to comb it while in the shower. That's it's easier for me. It's less painful when I comb it in the shower while I'm washing it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm really tired. When I had those fruits like 2 hours ago, I think that was just an appetizer. That was not food, man. I'm hungry and I'm craving Indomie. I don't know why. Like most weekends, like on Saturdays, at least twice or once every month, I crave Indomie. Why? I do not understand. Anyway, so I'm just going to make Indomie, have that with the remaining avocado, and then when I feel hungry again, I'll have maybe mandazi and chai as I figure out what you're going to have for dinner. But for now, let me first eat, and then we can figure out the body scrubbing thing. Yeah, we can figure out how we're going to scrub our bodies. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I'm just exhausted right now, and doing hair, it is not easy. It is exhausting. Okay. Ah, 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 come over here and balance it out for me. Hey. Baby, oh, baby, you know I like it. I like that song too. I discovered it last week, yeah? Darasa featuring Sean Mazer. I hope I pronounced her name right. Yeah. The song is lit. It's on repeat in my house because I love it. She's my future, sweet bambucha. Nampa taratibu nampa. Hey. Bang it up and balance it out for me. Hey, and then there's this guy. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing his name right. Singer. This song balanced it, eh? Balance it rather. Really interesting song. Oi. Yeah. My baby, my Valentine. Hey. Na. I am so obsessed. Your love, they totally me. Na. To the left. As the Indomie is cooking, I just wanted to show you this. I was supposed to have washed this in March when I came from the village. I totally forgot about them, so I've just soaked them. This is what I'll use. I'll now use this as my body scrub, not to scrub my body, to not like body scrub the product, like daily washing my body. These are the things that I'm going to be using. They are hard, and I like the texture. They are better than using the face towel, face cloth. These ones are better. So yeah, I've soaked them in Ariel powder soap. Yeah, powder soap, Ariel powder soap. And yeah, I'll wash them in a minute so that I can use them to take a bath or a shower, whatever. So I have two, this one and this one, but I'll start with this one first. When this one is over, then I'll begin to use this one. This one is rougher, by the way. I think I should start with this one. This one will scrub my body well. I think I need that spoon that people use to pick these things, eh? That spoon that has Is there also a spoon that people can use to eat noodles or spaghetti apart from fork? Hmm? With avocado, it slaps different. That's how bougie people say it slaps. It slaps different. It slaps different. With avocado, it slaps different. Slaps different. Yes, guys, if I tell you I'm tired, that will be an understatement. My body is exhausted, but since I told you guys that we're going to do this body scrubbing self-care thing, and I use natural lights, so we're going to do this. And this is maize meal. If you're wondering, this is maize meal. I've just mixed it up with water. So actually, I know why I'm tired. I did not sleep well. Have you ever slept like you're asleep, your body is asleep, but your mind is restless? Like your mind is all over the place, and then you wake up in the morning. Yes, you've been sleeping for like 7 hours, but you wake up in the morning, you're tired because your mind didn't rest. Like your mind wasn't at peace. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm going to start with my face scrubbing. I'll start with my face, and then when it comes to my knee going down, I always scrub it vigorously, because that is the rougher part of my body. But my knee up, that is the more delicate part of my body, so I scrub it gently. So we're just going to start with my face. If you've seen my night routine video, you've seen me use this scrub. Maybe it wasn't clear enough, but today it's daytime, so you can see it clearly. Let me just begin. So I'm done, and my body feels like a baby's bum bum, so smooth. I recommend you should try this maize flour on your entire body from your face down, and tell me how it went. Yeah, I concentrated more on my legs, my thighs, my back, and my elbow, because yeah, I wanted to work on those parts of my body. That's why I scrubbed more. Sawa. So I'm headed to the salon, and so guys, I came on here to show you guys my hair. This is what was done to my hair. I think I look cute. My forehead, of course, it's here. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm just about to jump on another video. I'm filming my first time tag video, and my first time tag video is going to go up before this video right here. So if you haven't watched it, please go back, watch it, like it, leave your comments, tell me what you think. Okay, for now it's bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.